Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 11th maths and statistics, we are going to deal with mean deviation. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon of your channel. Okay students, let's start the video lesson. What is mean deviation? The difference between an observed value of variable and mean, right? कोई भी एक ऑब्जर्व वैल्यू लो जो डेटा में है और मीन के बीच में जो डिफरेंस होगा, दैट इज़ व्हाट मीन डेविएशन. also mean deviation from the mean deviation from the median. तो मीन डेविएशन कितने टाइप के हो सकते हैं? मीन डेविएशन ऑफ मीन से मीन डेविएशन फाइंड कर सकते हो. मीन डेविएशन यू कैन फाइंड फ्रॉम द मीडियन. मीन डेविएशन you can find from the mode also, right students? So in this today video lesson we are going to learn about how to find out mean deviation from mean and median, right? Uses of mean deviation in weather forecasting. Because weather reporting is analyze the high temperature forecasted for a series of date versus actual high temperature recorded on each date. So students, हम एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि पर्टिकुलरली सपोज करो 7 डेज़ अपकमिंग 7 डेज़ में हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर क्या होगा, एंड देन उस कमिंग जो डेज़ के एक्चुअल हाई टेम्परेचर था उस दोनों टेम्परेचर को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं यूजिंग व्हाट मीन डेविएशन, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? अ लो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन वुड शो अ रिलायबल वेदर फोरकास्ट. जो अगर डेविएशन जितना कम होगा तो हमारा वेदर फोरकास्ट क्या होगा, उतना रिलायबल होगा, उतना प्रिसाइज होगा. अ क्लास ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स टू अ टेस्ट इन लैंग्वेज आर्ट. सो अगर एक क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स लैंग्वेज आर्ट पे अगर एग्ज़ाम देते हैं तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी हम मीन डेविएशन का यूज़ करके एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. देन फार्मूला ऑफ कैलकुलेट मीन डेविएशन स्टेटेड बिलो. सो कैसे हम मीन डेविएशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं? सो मीन डेविएशन फ्रॉम मीन, मीन डेविएशन फ्रॉम मीन मीन्स समेशन मॉडुलस वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स माइनस मीन डिवाइड बाई एन, राइट? मीन डेविएशन फ्रॉम मीडियन कैसे फाइंड करोगे? समेशन एक्स माइनस मीडियन डिवाइड बाई एन. समेशन रिप्रेजेंट सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, एक्स रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट ऑब्जर्वेशन, एक्स बार रिप्रेजेंट मीन, n represent number of observation, and m stands for median, right students? So using this formula you can find out mean deviation about mean and median. For frequency distribution, mean deviation can be find out by using the formula summation f into magnitude of x minus mean divided by summation f. Summation f means number of frequency. When the mean deviation is calculated about median, the formula will be what? Mean deviation about median, summation f, magnitude value of x minus median divided by summation f, right? There are some merits of mean deviation. It is simple to understood, right? mean deviation को easily हम समझ सकते हैं. It is easy to calculate और इजीली कैलकुलेशन हो सकता है. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ अ सीरीज़, राइट? जो मीन डेविएशन फाइंड करोगे तो सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन का हम यूज़ करेंगे. इट शोज द डिस्पर्जन अ स्केटर्ड ऑफ वेरियस आइटम ऑफ सीरीज़ फ्रॉम इट्स सेंट्रल वैल्यूज़. सो हम सेंट्रल वैल्यूज़ से, ऑब्जर्वेशन के सेंट्रल वैल्यूज़ से कोई भी ऑब्जर्वेशन कितना स्कैटर्ड है या कितना डिस्पर्जन हुआ है वो कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट वेरी मच अफेक्टेड बाय द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सट्रीम आइटम ऑफ सीरीज़. एक्सट्रीम वैल्यूज़ से इस मीन डेविएशन पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आता है, राइट? सिमिलरली इट्स प्रैक्टिकल यूज़फुलनेस इन फील्ड ऑफ बिजनेस एंड कॉमर्स. फील्ड ऑफ बिजनेस और कॉमर्स में इसका हम प्रैक्टिकल यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देयर आर फ्यू डीमेरिट्स. It is not rigidly defined in the same that it is computed from any central value. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मीन, मीडियन और मोड. तो ये रिजिडली डिफाइंड नहीं है जिस तरह से मीन, मीडियन और मोड है. देयर बाय इट कैन प्रोड्यूस डिफरेंट रिजल्ट, राइट। तो इसका रिजल्ट मीन मीडियन मोड के हिसाब से आप मीन डेविएशन फाइंड करोगे तो आंसर्स अलग अलग आ सकते हैं। इट वायलेट्स द algebraic प्रिंसिपल बाय इग्नोरिंग द पॉजिटिव एंड निगेटिव साइन while calculating the deviation from different item from the central value of series। इस मीन डेविएशन फाइंड करते हैं तो हम निगेटिव और पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज़ जो होती है उसको इग्नोर करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से डिफरेंट आइटम फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल वैल्यूज़ ऑफ सीरीज़ जो डेविएशंस आते हैं। इट इज़ नॉट कैपेबल ऑफ फर्दर एल्जेब्रिक ट्रीटमेंट, एल्जेब्रिक ट्रीटमेंट पॉसिबल नहीं है। इट इज़ अफेक्टेड मच बाय द fluctuation। It is difficult to calculate when the actual value of an average comes out in the fraction or recurring figure. For that, in each case, it requires the use of the shortcut method, which involves a cumbersome formula subject to adjustment in different cases. It is not suitable for sociological study। मीन्स मीन डेविएशन का हम यूज़ सोशियोलॉजिकल स्टडी में नहीं कर सकते। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर द डीमेरिट्स ऑफ मीन डेविएशन। लेट अस सी फ्यू प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस हाउ टू कैलकुलेट मीन डेविएशन। हियर इज बीन द साइज एंड फ्रीक्वेंसीज ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर गिवन xi and fi, right? So xi 20, frequency 6, 21 frequency 4, 22 frequency is 5, 23 frequency is 1, 24 frequency is 4. Here we want to find out mean deviation about mean. So first of all, our target will be what? To find out mean. So by using direct method, we need fi into xi. So multiplying the term column of fi and xi over here. So we are getting multiplication of fi and xi. Now find out summation f means n. This is what? Add the all the element. This is 20 and add the column of fi xi by using calculator. This is, we are getting 433, right students? Now we will find out what mean. So required mean will be what? Required mean deviation. Actually we want to find out mean deviation, so we will write the formula of mean deviation. So we know that mean deviation about mean is what? Summation fi modulus xi minus x bar. X bar you can write what over here, and summation f, right? Here is m is what? Like a mean, right students? So first you will find out mean. So x bar is equal to summation fi xi divided by n. Summation fi xi 433 divided by 20. So by simplifying we are getting what? By using calculator we can calculate. It gives 21.65, right? So here you can see that by next column we required what? Xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar. So xi minus x bar, this is what? Modulus. Modulus value means any values will be what? Positive. The differences, if you are getting positive and if you are getting the differences negative, the magnitude will be always positive, right? So here xi minus x bar, first of all 20 minus 21.65 we are getting 1.65, right? By taking its modulus value. Similarly 21 minus 21.65 we are getting 0.65, 22 minus 21.65 0.35, 23 minus 21.65 1.35, and similarly we are getting 2.35. Now the next we required fi modulus xi minus x bar. The next column is this. So by multiplying the frequency and the deviations of xi minus x bar, so 6 into 1.65 9.90, 4 into 0.65, then 5 into 0.35, then 1 into 1.35, so 4 into 2.35, right students? So here the finding the sum of this column, so we are getting, you can use the calculator students over here. So we are by adding these things, summation fi xi, so we are getting 25. Now substituting the values of summation fi xi and summation f 25 by 20. So by simplifying we are getting 1.25, right? In this way students, you can find out the means. Moving to the next question. Of this question you will have to find out mean deviation about median. What do you have to find out? Mean deviation about median. First of all, making the column of class and frequencies. So class are 0 to 10, the frequency is 6, 10 to 20, frequency is 7, 20 to 30, frequency is 15, 30 to 40, frequency is 16, 40 to 50, frequency is what, 4, and 50 to 60, frequency is 2, right? So first of all, making the column of CFI, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 15, 28, 16 plus 28, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 48 plus 2, 50, right? Now finding the sum of frequencies, summation f, by adding all these using calculator we are getting 50. Now the next target is to what? Find out median. So if we will find out median class n by 2th observation in the column of CFI. So n is 50, 50 by 2th observation, so we are getting 25. 25 is included by 28, right? So median class will be what? 20 to 30, 20 to 30, right students? Median class will be 20 to 30, right? So we can find out the lower limit, frequency and cumulative frequency. Lower limit is 20, right? Now we will find out what? Median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon f into h. H is class length, right? L is what? 20, n by 2 25, CF, here is CF, preceding frequency 13, f is 15, right? And class length 20 minus 30, 10. So the class length is what? 10, right? So 20 plus, here we are getting 13, 25 minus 13, 8. By simplifying these things we are getting 28. Okay, now we will find out mean deviation about median. So we will write the formula first of all. So mean deviation about median, MD about median is equal to 1 by n summation fi xi minus m divided by, right, n, here is with divided by n. Okay, so our target is to what? Find the column of xi minus m, and that column will be multiplied by f. So midpoint. So what will be the midpoint? So 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5, 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 15, 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25, 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35, 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 45, 50 plus 60 divided by 2, 55, right? Now xi minus m, modulus of xi minus m, yeah, absolute value of xi minus m. So considering median is 28, so all these observation will be subtracted from 28 and getting the positive sign, right? Now the next column will be fi xi minus m. So getting the multiplication of f and xi minus m, 138, 6, 15 into 3, 45, 16 into 7, so this is 16 into 7, 112, 4 into 17, 68, 2 into 27, 54, right students? Now we will find out the sum of observation in this column. So by using the calculator we are getting 508. Now substituting all these values, 1 upon n, n is 50, summation fi xi, this is 508, so 508 divided by 50 we are getting 10.16. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood how to find out mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. So students, thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Meet you once again.